Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Bleeding Gold FTMO challenge. So, we ended off on day 3 with this giant gain. Day 4, we did a little bit of scalping, a little bit of over trading. So I cut my trade short and just kept these $600, $700 the market gave me that day. Better than breaking even or losing, so just decided to move on to the next day, which was a smart move as we had one trade, a money trade, 2.8% win. Let's go ahead and look at our statistics. We are still at a 35% win rate, but that does not matter as our risk reward, average risk reward is a 2.41. And if you're in the course, you would understand why that would make you extremely profitable, as we talk about risk management and risk to reward ratios a lot, because that is one of the most important parts of trading, along next to psychology. I will be doing some YouTube videos on that soon, dropping some free knowledge. That's what's up. But let's go ahead and look at our balance chart. So here's the FTMO balance chart, and as you can see, we shot straight up to 6.6% on 5 days, so we are way ahead of schedule for the challenge. And because we only had one trade today, actually we did have 2 trades. I did take a paper trade on gold because I wasn't too sure. It was a Tokyo session and it did fail. Yeah, I did call it out in the signal group. We definitely made up for it with this next trade, and since we only had one trade on the day, let's go ahead and analyze that. So let's hop onto the charts real quick. So this was our trade. We took a trade on GJ. So let's go ahead and clear the charts, throw it back into replay. 5 o'clock is about the time I got on the charts, which is Tokyo session. But sometimes you get some good swing trades during the Tokyo session, I realized. What I saw first was we had a giant move up, and then we started to retrace back into this 50 SMA area. First thing I did was I saw all this support. We have a bunch of support over here. So we have all of that support. There's also support right here. Let's go ahead and replay it a little bit. Oh, before we replay it, let's pull out a fib. This one was a little bit difficult to fib, and it takes a lot of experience to know where to fib from. I wanted to fib from the impulse move up, and this isn't really a good spot to fib from. So as you can see on a smaller time frame, we came up and retraced a little bit and continued up. So I took my fib from here to this high, and this 61.8% fib lines up perfectly with this resistance, which gave me a lot of confidence that this trade was going to reverse. So we are on the 1 hour, so let's skip forward a little bit. See, projection, and then we get this bullish engulfing candle. So this is where I started to keep an eye out. So basically, as this next candle came down, I got in somewhere around here, and I did call this out on the Telegram, as you can see right here, EJ buy. So let's go ahead and type those in. Of course, I did call it out a couple seconds after I actually got into the trade. Let me find where I actually got in. We got in at 126.107, called our take profit at 126.633, and our stop loss was at 126.104, giving us a 5.66 risk reward ratio, which was amazing. As we came into drawdown, I did enter another position down in there on my other account. That's basically where it went. I did post multiple take profits. So we had our first take profit at 126.235. Oh, just at this high right here, which is where I decided to put my stops at break even. Then we had our second take profit at 126.397, which was at this resistance right here. And then I figured once we passed this, there was a high chance that we would continue up. Of course, we have to draw our resistance up here. Let's get this fib out of the way. Since I already explained, we're bouncing off the 618, which is the golden level, along with this major support and an uptrend. Nothing much to do with moving averages, besides the fact that on the 15-minute, they look like they're about to cross over. So, of course, they did start to cross over. On the higher time frames, they're all kind of spread out. So I wasn't too worried about those, as I don't use them for support and resistance, only if they line up with support and resistance. As you can see on the 30-minute, we hit take profit 1 within 2 hours about. So that's why I put my stops to break even. I'm gonna leave that out just so we can see the risk reward ratio. And as I kept watching this, we had spikes, and another confirmation we could see as this 4 hour closed. We closed extremely bullish, which was showing us that volume was going to push this price even higher. So if we go ahead and play it out, we had a little bit of stagnation, and then we pushed past TP2, which would have been a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, but I had a lot of confidence in this trade and I let it run. And then we continued up, boom, touched it, perfect. 5.61 risk to reward ratio. That happened at about 3 in the morning here, so I was sleeping. I passed out pretty early, but got to wake up to this. Great beginning to a Friday. I couldn't ask for anything better. So that was pretty much it for this trade. Just wanted to analyze it for you guys because I know you guys like to see more in depth of how I analyze my trades. That is my one trade for the day. I couldn't ask for anything better on a Friday. Right now, there's some trade setups I see, but I'm not going to take them because that would be going against my risk management, my psychology rules such as overtrading, etc. So we're gonna let this run, and I will see you guys next week. And hopefully we can pop this challenge by the end of next week. Super excited. Couldn't ask for a better trade. Let's see what it's doing now. Just kind of stagnating. But anyways, that was it for these past 2 days. As you can see, we had an amazing week. Super excited. I'll see you guys next week. Hope you guys are hopping on with me. Please hop on the Telegram, hop on the Discord. Discord's free. I'll be doing some live Zoom sessions. As you can see, we have our whiteboard over there. So I'll be doing a live scalping seminar over Zoom. Link will be posted in the Discord. It's all free. Everyone's welcome to join, so please hop in, learn some stuff. Excited to see you guys there. Otherwise, have a fantastic weekend, and I will catch you all next week. Have a great one.